Lost on what to do next in your career? Too many options, but no clear direction? Don't worry, CareerGPS is there to help you. You tell it where you are now, what you're good at, and where you'd like to go. And it builds a clear path with the steps to actually get there. It shows you courses or projects to try next, especially ones that boost the skills you need and make you more valuable on real career projects. Learn step by step from the foundations of your dream role so you develop the skills, confidence, and readiness to perform in real-world opportunities. We also provide capstone projects that mirror real-world industry challenges, so you build the practical skills and resilience to handle whatever situations the industry demands. Once you click Start Journey, congratulations! You're officially on the path to your dream role. What's next? Log into ConnectsBlue today and begin.